What's up, everybody? So I'm gonna make a quick video on my E90 BMW 328i. So it kind of works for any of the newer BMWs 2006 and up. They have the push button right here to start up the car. So this one's kind of beat up, it's kind of worn, so I bought a new one from a website here. It looks brand new. I'll post a link in the description below so you can know where to get it from. So I ordered from this website. It brought the button and it brought this little 3M double-sided stick tape, I guess you would say. And you're supposed to use this to put it on the actual button itself, and then it kicks the button off. Another way you can do this is if you could take off the whole entire button right over here, and you can take it apart that way. But we can try the way that they provided for us, so that way we don't have to take all that apart, and because then you have to take this off and all that good stuff. So here we go. Let's see if this works. I've seen people do this online. I haven't tried it myself. I'm just gonna open this up right here real quick. All right, so here's a piece right here, sticks. Let's see if it works. So we want to go over here. Sorry about the steering wheel in the way. Just kind of put it on the button itself. Just kind of just roll it on there. And that didn't work. And that's it. The whole button comes out just like that. Pretty cool, huh? So now I have this one here, and I hope they send me the right stuff. All right, so this is the button over here. There's a little piece that comes with it. So you want to make sure that everything that comes on this button stays attached. A little rubber right here. So I'm trying to hold it and do this at the same time. All right, so let's see here. So this is the button. There's the entire button. So you gotta move these clips right over here. It's one little, sorry, so you can see that little clip right there. And it goes all the way around. You just gotta unclip each one. So I'm gonna pause it while I do this because I can't do it on one hand. All right, so here's the old one on the left, the new one on the right, and then you gotta just clip it back on. And grab the button itself and use the new one. Make sure you put it on and align it all together. And just take your time, be gentle. See the clips right there, and just push it down. And so I don't really take my time with that because it's kind of flimsy, but you got it all on and put all the clips on there. You just got to be very careful. And then we just got to put it back on here. You want to push that back in there. Once you're ready, just put it there and just push it in. And yeah, once it's in there, just push it gently. And there we go. Good as new. So now I got a new button that works there. Awesome. So like I said, I'm gonna, you've got to take your time. Once you put the sticky thing that comes with it, the double-sided tape, you just, press it firmly on the old button and just pull it, do a quick motion, and it should come right out. So I'm gonna put the link in the description below for the button. I mean, you can get it on eBay, you can get it on many different websites, but I got it from a specific website, and they have a lot of different colors on there, and they have them from pretty much for all BMWs with the push button. So once again, I put the description below, and hopefully this makes your car look a lot better. I know already it makes mine look better. So thank you for watching. Peace out.